Hey all, welcome to Sparklebox. Are you curious to learn robotics or want to try something new? Science experiments? Then definitely visit our website sparklebox.co.in. You can also find the website link in the description link below. You can find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. Quickly grab some kits for your kids. They will definitely love them. 23rd June is observed as Olympic Day. So, we are making a simple DIYs depicting it.
A4 sheets, scissors, Fevicol, pencil, sketch pens, painting colors, paintbrush, foil paper.
An A4 sheet and draw the figure as shown and then cut it. Decorating these three circles as shown. Different sports balls. Now let's start making the Olympic torch. An A4 sheet and draw the figure as shown and then cut it. Them to make it look like a fire. Cut it in the shape of the cone and then paste it. Is ready. You can share your work with us in our Instagram account. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, bye bye.